to shampoo my hair. I'm going to braid and band it. But as I was feeling my hair, I realized that I had some locks in the front that I needed to take care of. I needed to retighten my hair because of the fast growth. And I'm not going back for a retightening until the beginning. I think my appointment is October 5th. Today is September 14th. I have decided that I will take care of my hair in between retightenings. And as I was feeling in my hair, I knew that there was some in the front that needed some attention. I can take at least one rotation on my locks. And I wanted to make sure that I do that to maintain the integrity of my roots in between. I do not want any more lost locks. Now, before I get into this retightening, and I have retightened all of these in the front so far, and the one that you just saw me finish, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. I thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos, and I want you to continue to do that. And I also want to say to those of you that are watching right now and you have not subscribed, that there's an open invitation, always an invitation, for you to join the G&G family. I want you to join us as we embark on taking care of Sisterlocks, Microlocs, family, and sometimes we even talk about God. Yes, about God, because He's the one that's in control of all of that. Yes, now, one more thing I want to point out. As the video started, you may have noticed that it started differently. If you are a constant subscriber, my granddaughter, Nevaeh, did a new introduction for me, and I want you to tell me what you think about it. Just tell me what you think. How did you feel about it? And how well does it fit what I do and talk about? That's what I want you to do. I want you to see this tool that I'm going to be using. I do not use the Sisterlock tool to retighten my hair. I use this tool. Now, I created this, or should I say created? I'll just say made this tool by spreading out the hole a little bit. What I did was hold it over a candle with something in it just to widen the opening. I also held it over a candle after making some groove marks around it, popped it loose, held it over a candle to soften the material, and then I just smoothed it out. And I have these in different lengths. And this is what I use to retighten my hair around the perimeter. I'm not going to bore you with retightening my hair all the way through, but I want you to see that I have a few weeks before my retightening, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm in the middle of my hair, of my lock. I pull it through. And I know that I can do one rotation. I always feel to make sure that it has been pulled completely through. And you also want to make sure that you're not looping in between this, because then you'll create a knot. And I've done that before and gone to Kim and she had to remove it. But if you create a knot, I want you to stop as soon as you know you created a knot. Or as soon as you know you made a mistake, stop with it. And that way, your loctician can then straighten it out for you. And that is how I reinforce my locks. And I'm always checking to make sure that it has been pulled completely through. Now I want this one to be down, facing the side of my hair, but I could have stopped, and I think I'm going to stop with that, because though there's a little bit of give, I'm going to leave it there. I don't want to do it too tight. And I'm going to do my hair all around the perimeter. I'm going to do some of these in the front, the ones that need it. So all of them, all of my locks do not grow at the same rate. And I always feel for it and then decide whether or not I need to retighten. After I retighten my perimeter of my hair, I am going to braid and band my hair and shampoo it today. It's been over a week and it needs to be done. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You can comment on how I am maintaining my locks for strength, and also make sure you tell me what you feel about or think about my new introduction. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. And my family's doing well. We've already laid our brother to rest. And it was a wonderful, it was a wonderful service that was given for him. Yeah, it sure was. It was. Have a great day.